Hi guys, welcome to today's video. If you like today's video, hit the like button, and if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel so you never miss a video like this, and hit the notification bell to never miss an upload. Now let's get into the video. Okay, so for today's makeup look, for an anime character, we're going to be doing Shinobu from Demon Slayer. I think I've done two characters already from Demon Slayer. So yeah, let's get into the makeup look. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to try is I'm going to try my LA Girl Brow Pomade. This is in the color Soft Brown. And to apply it, I'm going to use my Morphe M158 brush. I thought that it came with a brush, but I was thinking of a different brand that's pretty much the same thing like this. So yeah. I'm going to start applying this to my brows. Ooh. I really like the color of it. This is the first time I'm using this, and I absolutely love it. Okay, so I'm usually normally going with my soap to set the brows, but I actually want to kind of leave it just like this. But I am going to kind of brush up the hair. Now we're going to prime the face using my Wet n Wild Impossible Face Primer. I'm actually going to use it with a brush this time. I'm just going to apply a little bit of it on the brush. I kind of tested it on the back of my hand and I absolutely love it. It's like really velvety primer. And I absolutely love this one. So we're gonna go in with the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette. But first I'm going to prime my eyes. I like to use my finger to apply it more than a brush, so I'm just gonna do that really quick. So the last makeup tutorial that I did, I zoomed in the camera and I didn't really like it like that, so I'm just gonna keep it like this. I think it will work a little bit better. Alright, we're gonna go into the shade. I'm gonna use an FEO, which is this one here. This is a really perfect trend. So I'm just going to apply this in the crease, kind of a little bit above the crease. Next shade I'm gonna apply is Royalty, this really pretty purple. I'm going to apply it kind of on the outer and inner corner. So I'm going to take this shiny brush, this is brush number 8, in the outer corner. Also in the inner corner. I'm going to take my shiny brush, Morphe brush, and this is a blending brush. I'm going to take MFEO again, and I'm going to just blend kind of where the two colors meet. With my finger, I'm going to take the color, let's see, Faint, which is this one here. I'm just going to put that right in the middle. Okay, so now I'm going to apply my Honest Beauty Cream Blush, and this is in the color Coral Peach, and also I did my concealer off camera and I set the concealer as well. So, yeah. Okay, and then I'm going to use my e.l.f. blush brush to apply it. Dogs are barking. Okay. Stop it, Grumpy! Okay, so for bronzer, I'm going to use my Essence Sun Club matte bronzing powder, and this is natural. I'm going to use my Real Techniques number 201 brush. Oh wow. This is a perfect shade. I can't believe it. And I absolutely love this brush too. Oh wow. Okay, so now I'm going to curl my lashes. And apply my Huda Beauty mascara. I'm going to start with the volume side. Okay, so now I'm going to apply my lip liner. This is from NYX. This is in the color Ever. Actually, first I'm going to apply some highlighter. Okay, so I'm going to use my QC Makeup Academy highlight palette. And I'm going to take this shade. I'm going to take the bronzer brush again and just highlight, kind of blend the highlight. Now I'm going to apply my lip liner, and this is in the color Ever. Okay, so I'm going to use my Too Faced Melted Matte liquid lipstick in the color Child Star. Last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply, spray my NYX Dewy Setting Spray. I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys in the next one. Bye!